Hey followers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. Can you already tell what this video is about? If you can't tell by the title, this is all about these nails that I did myself. Of course, quarantine don't stop me, boo. Do your own nails in quarantine, honey. I really love how these nails came out. Today, these might be my favorite set that I've ever done besides the sunset ones. I don't know if you've seen that, but I'll link down below my whole nail journey. So the whole playlist of all the nail videos I've ever done. And you can see how far I have come, y'all. For real, I can't believe that this is where I am in my nail videos, or my nail journey. So if you want to see how I achieve these nails right here, go ahead and continue to watch. Before we get into it, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Let's get into these nail slays, honey. Okay, you guys, let's get started. This is the first hand that I do. I always do my right hand off camera since I am right-handed and it takes me a little longer to do that hand. And I do my left hand on camera, so let's get into it. We, of course, start with our nail drill, and I'm just buffing off any oils or anything like that. And this helps the nails last longer and also the tips stick. Now, I know I use poly gel, but I prefer tips because it's just a little easier. And I think that this helps it last a little bit longer, and it also makes it a lot more thick and firm. So after that, after I buffed it off and I used my buffer, I'm just gonna wipe some of that excess stuff off. So I'm using the nail glue like this simply because when I untwisted it, the top twisted, so clearly the top to the top is stuck together. Anyway, so I am just measuring my nails. I'm running low on nails, so I only have honestly the big ones. So all you have to do, if that's your case, is just cut. Oh, I forgot that this happened. Yeah, so all you have to do is just cut the size of those nails to make them fit to the nail bed. And now I'm just cutting my nails down to size, to the length that I want them. I didn't cut too much off because I feel like when you have like nails like these, you want them to be long and kind of flamboyant and just a lot, like the Cardi B kind of nails, or you know, nails on 7, you know, girl that does Cardi B's nails. Anyway, so I'm going back in with my drill, and I like to go over that piece of where the tip and the nail meet, because I feel like it's a little bit of a mark, and I just want to kind of make it blend all the way in. So buffing it out a little bit helps take that away. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and just file them lightly because they are already shaped for me. I was only filing them to make sure if I messed up when I was cutting, it's not, you know, you can't see it. So now we're going in with the base gel. This comes with the Makarrt base gel. I always use Makarrt Poly Gel. If you're new watching and you see me using Poly Gel, besides this one EC basket one, I always use Makarrt. Everything I use is Makarrt. That is my favorite Poly Gel. I've tried other ones. This happens to be the only pink that I have left, so that is why I'm using it. I actually really don't like this Poly Gel. It takes a lot of work to do, more work than Makarrt takes. I'm sorry if you hear like all that wind. It is raining cats and dogs in New York City right now. So what I'm doing is I wanted to do a little bit of a shape with this poly because I wanted to do, you know, the way I want the glitter to look. So I'm just kind of doing that now and just shaping that out. And this honestly, oh crap. Sorry guys, I don't know what just happened outside. So I'm taking different shapes on my nails and just making sure that it looks nice and neat, and I want every line to be very sharp. So it does take a little bit longer than just doing a regular kind of ombre moment, but I figure I've been doing my nails for over a year now, so, or just about a year, so I might as well start stepping it up. So I'm going in with my clear poly gel. This poly gel means so much to me. I have the big one. I have like 2 of these because clear poly gel is just so necessary. I mean, I'm just telling you, like all the colors I have, I'm like, this clear one, we need the big one. And I need 2. So I'm just meeting that with the pieces that I put earlier, and this part is really important because you want to make sure at the point where the pink and the clear meet, you want to make sure that they are the same thickness so that it looks nice and neat as if it was supposed to be like just a sharp color change. And then I'm just going to go on my my ring finger, and I'm just going to just put plain poly gel for that one because that's the ring, the nail where the rhinestones are going to go. So I'm just finishing up my pinky, and of course after every step you're going to go ahead and cure it. Okay, so after that I'm going to go in with my nail extension gel. So this gel is for glitter for poly gel though. It's specifically made for poly gel. So the gel does not glue until you cure it. And that's the thing I find about poly gels. It's mostly just, it won't cure until you know, it won't dry until you cure it and put it in the lamp. And curing it means you're just putting it in the lamp. So you see me just adding 2 different types of glitters just to add some pizzazz to my nail and making sure that I'm keeping that shape at the tip. You see I'm going on the sides but not on top of that pink. It's very important to try to move slow. So I'm doing the same thing with the ring fingernail, which is like a lipstick shape for the pink, and I'm just going to do the same thing, dot those big ones on, and then just add the purplish shimmer ones. I think this together looks really, really good. So yeah. Okay, so after I'm done with that, I'm going to take the glue. I didn't want to do a full rhinestone one on this one, honestly, because 1, I was tired, I was over it, and 2, it was just a lot. I asked on my IG if I should do it, and people were like, yeah, no, do it. So I did it, but it was a lot. So I'm just going around the perimeter of the nail. Now I did make a mistake here. I feel like I should have put it more up on the perimeter because it made the nail look a little bit wider instead of doing it just around it, if that makes any kind of sense. And then I just slapped on a big jewel in the center just to give it more of a boom, boom, boom. And yeah, so just, oh, I think I got some glue here. So what I'm doing is I'm just going ahead and take that off because, you know, alcohol, take it right off. And after I cured that, I go in with another layer of the poly gel clear to kind of seal in. It's like encapsulating it basically. So it seals in and I won't have to worry about like that bumpiness. It'll be nice and smooth once you do this next step. After curing it, of course, I went ahead and I'm going to put on my top coat. This is the last step, you guys. After you cure this, it is over. You've done it. So that's what you see me doing now, and this is the final look of my nails. I really love how these came out. I actually love that I did the ring fingers different. It just gives a little bit more to the look. So yeah, girl, we got ready to do nails to sit in the house. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to join the flower game by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what kind of nails you want to see next down in the comments. Bye.